First, we'll need 2 medium-sized lobster tails. Whether they're fresh from the sea or thawed from the freezer, they'll do just fine. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and split those tails down the middle with kitchen shears. Brush on some melted butter, add a sprinkle of salt and pepper, then pop them in the oven. 15 to 20 minutes should do the trick. Once they're cooked through and the meat is opaque, let them cool before chopping into bite-sized pieces. Now it's time for the pasta. Cook a pound of elbow macaroni or any pasta of your liking until it's al dente. Drain it and set it aside for now. Meanwhile, let's make the heart of this dish, the cheese sauce. Melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a large pot over medium heat. Whisk in a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour to create a roux. Stir it constantly for about 2 minutes. Gradually add in 3 cups of warm milk and a cup of heavy cream, whisking all the while until the mixture is smooth and starts to thicken. Now reduce the heat to low and stir in half a teaspoon of mustard powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, if you like a little kick, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and some salt and pepper to taste. Then, gradually add 4 cups of a shredded cheese blend. Gruyere, sharp cheddar, and Parmesan are recommended for a real flavor explosion. Stir until the cheese is completely melted and the sauce is smooth. Next, combine the cooked pasta and cheese sauce, stirring until well coated. Fold in the chopped lobster meat gently, making sure it's well distributed throughout the dish. Spoon this creamy, dreamy mixture into a greased baking dish. For the topping, mix half a cup of panko breadcrumbs with half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle this evenly over the mac and cheese, then bake in the preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the top is golden brown and crispy. Finish off with a garnish of chopped fresh parsley before serving. And there you have it, a dish that's sure to impress at any table. Don't forget to subscribe to Magnolia Moon channel for more great recipes and inspiration. Until next time, happy cooking!